Hello everyone, welcome to Free Automation Learning channel and my name is Chirag. Today we are going to discuss about introduction of Cucumber tool. As in previous video we were discussed about BTD, and in this video we will discuss about introduction of Cucumber. So first we will start what is a Cucumber. Cucumber is a testing framework which supports BTD development. Basically, there are many tools available in the market. There are some open source and some part of them are paid tool. So Cucumber is a very famous tool which supports BTD, and a part of Cucumber there would be GBehave tool is also is available in the market if we talk about using with Java. So in this tutorial I'm using Cucumber tool, and we will discuss how we can achieve BDD by using a Cucumber tool. So move ahead. As I told you, Cucumber is a testing framework which supports BTD development, behavior driven development, and it let us define the behavior in plain meaningful English. As we will discuss in BTD that by using BTD we can use a common language so that business stakeholder, developer, tester could easily understand. So Cucumber provides that language. That language is a Gherkin language, and in this, by using this Gherkin language, we can write our test cases in simple English language, right? So there are some files and there are some terms which we use when we are working in Cucumber. So I'm just wanted to discuss those things with you, so that in next video I'm using Eclipse to create a feature file and to design acceptance testing test cases. So in that time we need to write some code and we need to write some feature file. So we will discuss about what is a feature file, what is a step definition file in Cucumber. So let's talk about a feature file. A feature file is a entry point to the Cucumber test. Basically, feature file is a test script, you can say that, and it is written in a plain English, and by this we can execute our test cases by using this feature file, right? So you can say that it is a file in which we write our test cases in a simple English language, which is that language is known as a Gherkin language, right? And there is another file which is present in Cucumber, that is a step definition file. So what is a step definition file? In step definition file we write our code, we write our Java method which we written in feature file, right? So you can understand that feature file is a entry point, and it is in this we write a simple Gherkin language or English language sentence, and behind that English language sentence we write our code which would execute when we will run, and that code is written in this step definition file, right? So step definition is a Java method in a class with a annotation above it, and Cucumber find the step definition file with the help of glue code in Cucumber options. So we will discuss these Cucumber options in coming video. Right now you can understand there are two files, one is feature file and another is step definition file. In feature file we write our English, and we write test cases in English language, that is Gherkin, and step definition, right, we write our code, right? So there are different keywords which we are using in Cucumber. So there would be one keyword, that is a feature. So feature keyword is used to define the test functionality of the that feature file. So what we are going to test, we can write by using feature keyword, right? So in a feature file there would be some scenario, there would be one scenario, there are be a many scenario. It depends upon the functionality of that application which we are going to test. So that scenario, we can write scenario in a feature file. So there would be a scenario keyword. Each feature will contain some number of tests to test the feature, right? Each test is called a scenario. So you can say that we can test our functionality in scenario based, right? So next is given keyword. So what is a given keyword? It is a precondition to the test. So what are the precondition of the test is written by a given. And suppose we can say that given Firefox browser is open. So this is my precondition of that test, of that scenario. And after that, when keyword is used, the test step execution. So what we are going to execute or what we are going to test, that comes in with the help of when keyword, and then is used for the verification. So suppose given Firefox browser is open with Facebook login URL or login page. When I enter username and password, then I logged into Facebook application. So then is the kind of verification that I enter username and password and click on login button, then I should see dashboard page. So then would be a verification part, right? And there would be a and keyword. And keyword is when we need to add some two sentence, right? So at that time we use and. Suppose there are two when comes. When I clicked on login button, and suppose I can say that when I enter username and password, and then after that when I click on login button. So we can write this also. When I enter username and password and I click on login button. So at that time we can use and there also a but keyword, right? So about but keyword, it used to add negative type comments, right? But it is not a hard and fast rule to use, but only for negative condition. Suppose there would be a negative condition where we are passing invalid credentials, so we can use but at that time, right? So I just give you a small scenario what we are discussing in this video. That scenario is the test which I am going to execute or test into our on my application. So their test is unsuccessful login with invalid credential. This is my scenario, and you can say that given user is on home page. So this is my this is my precondition, right? When user navigate to login page, this is that I'm going to do, right? And you can see that and comes here. I can write when user enter username and password, or I can use and user enters username and password, right? And after that, but the user credentials are wrong, right? So there is a negative condition which we are talking about this, and this is the verification. Then message display wrong username and password. So this all about the feature file, right? So this is about the feature file, and this this is a simple English language which is known as Gherkin, and we use keyword about, given, when, and, but, then to design our test cases in feature file, right? And there's some code which we need to write. We can write that code in step definition file. So these are two files, and these are the keywords which we are going to use Cucumber, right? So hopefully you understand the basic of Cucumber and what is a feature file, what is a step definition file. And in next video we are going to set up Eclipse, and after that we will create a Cucumber project, and we are going to write our code, and we will design a framework by using Cucumber. So I use Cucumber with Selenium, and I also use Cucumber with APM. So stick to with me, and we will discuss this Cucumber with APM and Selenium in upcoming video. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please press like button, or you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this. Bye bye, take care.